All right, here I am with Paul Mirel, the creator and lead engineer of STELLA Instruments. Hi, Paul. How are you doing?
Hello.
Um, can you tell us a bit about yourself and your background in engineering?
In high school, I was apprenticed to a machinist, and then worked a bit at NIST in semiconductor electronics and in automated production technology, and then taught high school for 10 years in DC, physics and earth and space science. So I spent 20 years in observational cosmology, building instruments to look at the light left over from the Big Bang, to measure how structure formed in the universe, looking for the B modes, if you know that sort of thing. And then started working on STELLA as an educational tool. One of the people who worked with Piers Sellers on the BOREAS mission is a dear friend of mine, Manuel Lerdau, and he asked me if we could come up with some low-cost remote sensing tools with which to measure things for researchers and to teach people how to do remote sensing. And that was really the genesis of STELLA.